All right, so the way to do this problem is you got to see things that you don't necessarily see. 2 to the third power is equal to 8. So my 8 to the x over 2 to the y, whoops, 2 to the y is the same as 2 to the third power raised to the x all over 2 to the y. Now, normally when you raise a power to a power, then that would make this 2 to the 3x over 2 to the y. Now, because they are the same base, I could say that's the same as 2 to the 3x minus y. Wait a second. 3x minus y is equal to 12. So that's the same as 2 to the 12.